Hey, I got a package. Let's do a quick unboxing here. That was quick, but we got a few things here for the Volvo since I'm doing a Volvo video. First things are, these are the front and rear main seals. I know you can do the new kit with the neoprene seals, but I don't know. I just don't want to buy the housings and everything for that, so I got these. So we'll try these out. You know, they worked on the car originally, so we can keep them working. Got that. Y'all recognize this? This is the foam that goes in the horn ring. Keep it from honking all the time like mine did. I actually shimmed mine with some cardboard to keep it from doing that, but I'll put the original back in there. This is the cord for doing the windows. I usually use a wire, but this was like $2, so I thought, okay, we'll try that out. Got some mounts for the center bearing on the drive shaft, and that should be the center bearing for the drive shaft right there. What else we got here? Oh, we got some sprayer tips for our windshield washer system there. And then that is, I think, the rear seal on the transmission. And then there's some little bits for the hoses for the sprayer. And I bet you anything in here, yeah, there we go. There's hoses for our windshield washer sprayers. I think this is the pinion seal for the rear end here. You're seeing a theme, I'm sure. Oh, and here is I think that's the transmission mount. Oh, there you are. That's the transmission mount. That's nice. And then in here, this is kind of the and then video, and then in here, that should be a motor mount there. Maybe that's the transmission mount. That one's a little bit thicker. Should be 2 motor mounts. Yeah, there's the 2 motor mounts. And then, god damn, Jeff, here's the video. There's the 2 motor mounts, and there's the transmission mount. And the only seal that I'm not seeing is there should be one more transmission seal here somewhere. An input shaft seal. Maybe I accidentally didn't order that. I've never done that before, not order something on accident. But this is the fun that we have to look forward to this spring as the temperatures finally climb into the 70s this next week. We just had a winter storm, actually like 3 of them in a row the last 3 weeks. So I haven't been doing much work on the cars. I've only driven them a couple times. And what you saw in the previous part of this video was what I did, gosh, in the last month. So not much has been going on. We've been having a lot of snow here lately and cold, but it's set to get warm again. My schedule frees up a little bit more, and we'll be putting a lot of this on, and some more Volkswagen stuff too. I've got a box of parts coming from it. So more to come. Thanks a lot, and be sure to check out the other videos and like this one if you like it, and comment. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great night.